Hello, I'm Matteo, the Chief Mobile Opinionist at Tech Travel Geeks, and this is the unboxing of the Xiaomi Torch Powerbank. Yes, you heard that right, it's a torch and a power bank. If you enjoy watching this video and would like to see more of our unboxings of products, reviews of products, sample videos, and catch the Tech Travel Geeks podcast, please subscribe to us on YouTube. Right then, let's unbox this Xiaomi powerbank-torch or torch powerbank. It arrived from AliExpress. I ordered it on AliExpress, and the packaging is pretty simple. My only issue is I really don't know how to read any of the content. The only thing I really recognize is the technical specifications of input and output and the Xiaomi logo. There's a barcode or two, but it's a bit of a mystery. Let's open this up if we can. It seems to be a plastic cover which breaks. How badly am I going to fail at unboxing this product? Aha, there is some tape along the edges, that's why it wouldn't budge. And there we have it. It opens up and you see the Xiaomi Torch Powerbank itself and the cables. Let's have a look at the cables first. So there is a harness, a little strap for having the torch on your wrist. This is very useful. It seems to be made of silicone and have a little string at the end to attach that to the product. There is a cable. In this case it is a USB-A to USB micro USB cable. And then there is a information booklet. There's a Xiaomi logo. I'm not really sure what the rest says. It's a bit of a mystery, but if you know how to read Chinese, I suppose this is very informative. Now let's look at the device itself. On the side, you can just see there's a very light Xiaomi logo and technical specs, and a clear sign not to put it in fire, which makes sense. I've just taken off the lid or the protector for the torch head. This is a Cree light, apparently, a very efficient LED Cree light. And on the lower side, if you take this off, you'll see there is a micro USB input as well as a USB-A output. So that's great. You get to see what is there, and there is a little power on button to remind you that that's on. You can just see the red light there. If I long press that, what happens? Nothing, it just stays on. So that must be purely for the power bank function. There we go. And this seems to be to focus the LED torch. You can tick it sideways. Okay, I'm struggling to turn this on. Let's see, what other things would you do? There's no pulling. The only indicator I have in this mystery product is a dot and an empty circle. So I'm assuming this is for focusing the torch itself. It turns infinitely. How do you turn it on though? Let's figure this out together. Long press on the button. Nothing. Double tap. Nothing. Triple tap. Nothing. Let's see if I can figure out anything from the instructions. So let's have a look at things. Micro USB and USB ports, that makes sense. Strap hole, that makes sense. Okay, I'm flummoxed. It's likely we need to charge this product. Give me a moment and I will put the Xiaomi Torch Powerbank on charge. So okay then, I'm back, and after a bit of online research, thanks to another YouTube video I will link to in the description to this one, I've found out that what you need to do to turn the Xiaomi Powerbank torch on is actually turn it towards the circle with nothing in it. So from the dot to the circle, and you need to switch towards it 3 times to switch it on, and then another 3 seems to be brightening it, and it has 12 steps of brightness. Yes. All the light, and then you can switch it off. So as you can see, it seems to be a good torch. It's nice and bright, really bright. It's a white light, and it is also a 3000 milliamp hour power bank. So this is going to be quite useful, I think, in traveling, not only when using it as a power bank. A good torch is a handy thing to have, just in case you're in a room in a hotel or an Airbnb where you're unfamiliar with where the light switch is. You're waking up during the night, not really sure what you're doing. I would use this torch. I usually do use my phone, but having a dedicated torch, if for example my phone is charging on the other side of the room, might be a useful thing. And also the emergency power bank option. So thanks for bearing with me as we tried to figure out how this Xiaomi Torch power bank works. Thanks for watching this Tech Travel Geeks YouTube video. And if you enjoyed this, please do support the channel by subscribing to the Tech Travel Geeks here on YouTube. For now, thanks for watching, and we'll be back with another video soon. Thanks very much. Goodbye.